Kittl new walkthrough. Hi everyone and thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to show you the new Kittl layout. They made so many changes. So you can see most of the things they are now on our left side. We've got home, projects, templates they are the same. We've got tools. You can see on tools we've got background remover, image upscaler, image generator, vectorizer, image sets, design generator, brand kits, and also vector and clipper generator. We've got profile, block, settings, and rewards. Let's open new project. Here we've got so many options. We've got print on demand presets. We can choose from these files. Just wait a few more seconds to open the file. There you go. You can see here on popular we've got the standards, popular, t-shirts, Instagram, Facebook posts, and so on. We've got socials, marketing, business, and print on demand. On print on demand, I'm going from here on your left side. You can change the size and the DPI, but I'm going to use merge by Amazon t-shirt template. You can see 4500 by 5400, 300 DPI. Let's create this one. And now you can see this is the templates, they are the same. Let's grab one template, let's say hoodies and sweatshirts. I'm going to open one of the templates, let's say this one. Come on, there you go. From here I can change the size, or I can grab everything and move on the main layout, but we can change the size as well. 4500. We need to unlock here by 5400. There you go. 4500. Come on. Done. So let's make this bigger. There you go. I will delete this one. So almost everything is on our left side. We've got templates, we've got text, they are almost the same. Not almost, they are the same. We've got elements, they are the same. You can search elements from here, let's say heart, and you can find something from here, let's say this one. There you go. Let's delete this. We've got brand kits, uploads, images, they are the same. Textures, we can add texture to the layout, let's say this one, and we can mask from here. You can see the changes from here. Let's release the texture. When you release the texture, you can use it like the normal element. Let's delete this one. So from here we've got Kittl AI, we've got image generators, sets generators, image restyle, and design generator. So from here on our left side, the menu, we've got new projects, we've got my projects, duplicate projects, view. From here we can put on grids. You can see the grids. Let's make the layout a little bit bigger. There you go. Let's go here again. We can turn on the grids and turn off. We've got rulers. From here you can add the rulers. You can see. Let's turn this off. Come on. And we've got margins. So margins, when you click on the layout, from here you can change the margins. From here you can see now the margins, and let's say 120. Unlock this. 120. 120. And there you go. And from let's turn this off. We've got settings. We can change from pixels to inches and millimeters. We can put on dark mode, and from here we can save the projects. Let's save this. So this is the main changes, and when you are on a layout on your bottom side, you can see we can create another artboard, and from here we can change the dimensions. We can add a rectangle or something, some another elements. Just let me click on this. Come on. There you go. And we can create elements from here. Also we can enter comments. If you have a theme, you can put comments. From here we've got undo and redo. And here when you want to work on specific elements, on your top side you've got Kittl Copilot, you've got color palette. When you click here you can see the color palette, you can change the colors. From here you can quickly duplicate. You've got eraser. When you click here we need to rasterize the image, and just wait a few more seconds and we can erase something from the picture. Okay, we've got we can delete the picture from here, and we can download specific element up to 3x the image size, and we can decide what type of file we want to download. And from here we also have crop feature. We can crop from here. Done. So I think this is most of the changes. I'm planning to create separate videos for all the major features, but this is most of the new things. Just one more quick thing, I almost forgot this. On your bottom left side, when you click on the question mark, you can see we've got help center, shortcuts, chat, features, feature requests, tutorials, and so on. When you click on shortcuts, you can see all the shortcuts that Kittl has. You can use them to speed up the process and so on. I think that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. If you are interested from Kittl, the link will be down below in the description. You can sign up for free. Check the program if you like it. If you don't like it, you can keep using the free version. But anyway, if you want to use all the features, you need to upgrade to the paid version. This is how the whole program works. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.